Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Sentless. I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan of Nkupi, the entertainer. Whatever let you listen to that. Today is a great day, beautiful day, nice day, because I got into a mini negotiation with some other guys, and I'm going to view the car that I might buy, and if it's proper, I'm going to buy it. So let's do this. Let's go and view the car that I'm going to get. And if it's proper, I'm buying it. Now we are on the move. Let's go into this. I'm excited. Oh, I didn't tell you this is done in Pretoria, so we're gonna meet by this casino in town. So yeah, we're gonna meet the casino in town. Let me bolt for the last time, maybe. Am I bolting for the last time? Am I? Let's just go and see how this happens. Guys, on my way fetching the bolt, I bumped into Enzo. This is Enzo's pin car. Enzo stays up there. I wonder where he was yesterday and the day after. Or maybe was he spinning? I don't know. Either way, it's been a while since I've seen him. It's been a while. Spinners' lives. You have cars full of tires. Cars full of tires. Enzo. Haven't seen him spin in a while, but I will see him very soon. Let me continue with my journey. The focus on my journey. Still have a car too. Hey, let's go. Guys, while I was on my way, something in me told me that you're gonna wait for long. You're gonna wait for long. See go end up. Yeah, guys, I'm at the place where we are supposed to meet. Where we say we're gonna meet, where the meeting is happening. Bring that first save of mine. And should it be nice? Should it be nice? Should it be nice? You know what's happening, ladies and gentlemen. Should it be nice? Haha. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. You know what I'm taking it means? Hey guys. If honestly, if it wasn't for my other gut feeling telling me that I gotta take a chance, I would have died. I would have died. I would be on I shouldn't be alive in our way. I would be on I shouldn't be alive in our way. But because me, when I say attention, I take out money and pay. I paid attention to my other gut feeling. You are so let me sit down and have a chat with you guys. When I sit down and we chat, phone is on the floor. If anyone wants to come and take it, they have to fight me. That tower umuntu abakushisa.
Bozonna Kimulu. You found me at an era whereby I'm starting to accept Jesus. And when you accept Jesus, you don't go around hurting people. But one day that mode will return. Someone will help me return it. Someone will help me return it. Either willingly or otherwise. This. Hey, bro. Hey, you better come. Hey. I've been waiting. Hey, Linakala, Bamus. Piano, Lematumo, Baba Sankiting, Bampo, Navarna, Kiki, Gacha. Ibila Nergo, Babang Bankies. People are so judgmental, guys, you don't know. People are really quick to think of the worst. You see, my phone is on the floor. Like, they can't see. Okay, let me show you where I'm sitting. Like, they can't see my phone. I'm sitting here. It's almost in the road, right? My phone is down here, and it's covered by this thing, and they can't see. You see, they can't see who I'm talking to, or they can't see the visibility of the phone. Now, I want something that can block my phone. So some people who know you, they act like they don't know you. Because you're just sitting there and talking by yourself, because they don't see what's happening. Those who don't know you, they give me weird looks. Those who don't know me. And those who know me think I am now losing it. They think I'm really mad. They think I'm really, really mad. And especially the ones from home. Because I saw a couple of guys they passed here while I was sitting talking to my phone. They passed here and they don't greet like they greet when we're at home. They look at me like, Nkupi Diman, hey, what's up? So I just laugh. And I'm by Potor no to have polo on the street, Katamu, Karafa. Yeah, people are quick to think of the West. They don't say no, that man we making that maybe they don't think of such. I could just wake up and come and sit here and be lost here where I don't even know anybody. Because I'm mad. But because people want me to be mad, they just assume I'm mad. But it's fine. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar and let them enjoy it while it lasts. Because when my time comes, I will not even have mercy. I will not that I will be like them when I see them chilling. I will actually mind my business. I won't show them that I saw them. No, there's a better way of dealing with things. It's either you ignore the person altogether, or you greet them and pass, or you ask them what's happening. Didn't I wash up? That's it. Not knowing me, what I will do, I'll act like I didn't see them. And I would really prefer it if someone does that to me while I'm recording. I'm in this state. Because apparently, I didn't mzala. a ke nna ke dula ke le mo strateng ka emela motho. Oh no, ke no dula mo strateng ke no tloga gae ka tla mo ka gafa. But it's only funny when you know it's not even close to being the truth. I know I am here. I know I am here. I'm waiting for these people. And let me tell you something about me. I'm very brave. I'm very brave. Okay, sharp, fine, ke lawyer. You come close to me. Why do you like look at me? I never have problems. I never experience problems. I never experience clowns trying to scam me money. I never experience crime, and I never experience anything. But I'm always just doing these things. But I'm going to do this deal here. Money ngamo content. But if you believe that there's no style, if you believe that there's no style, good phone need pop bank. Uta novel go get. That's human said. I'm smart, and I'm smart. That's all I can tell you. I'm smart. They'll make a bomb, man. You'll see. You'll see. If there's funny business, don't worry. I'll come and tell you what I do to funny business. And funny business is not funny to me. It's not funny to me. To be funny to you and your friends when you narrate to them what happened to you when you tried your luck. You understand? If you have the chance to end up narrating, because you might ungabonana not wabonana nami, because nami I'll be here on earth. Wena uzobe emathini ubonana na brahula angithi ufuna ukwazi abantu wena, ufuna ukwazi abantu manje mina ngizokwazi sibakeni ukwazi sibakeni. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, still waiting for the guy to come and show me my fuel saver. And if it is the way we spoke, if it's the way we spoke, I take your man, I make your man. I told you, hey man, hey get it there, man, Moscow, you're like bitch. Back then we didn't know what your bitch meant, but we would say your bitch. Hey man, yo, not you, but yo. Hey. Someone can insult you with their facial expression only. That's the description of the car we spoke about. A car had to come and obstruct my view at the robot, and I was busy viewing. If it's not the way we spoke, I just stand up and leave. I don't even engage with you. I got you taking me for a fool. Imagine if I was all the way from Limpopo, because I know when I'm about to get something that I really wanted, I would travel like far. I would leave Limpopo to come and do something like this. So I'm treating the situation as if I'm from Limpopo. We spoke about something, but you bring something flipping different that we didn't even speak about. No, it's not the one. That one's license registration is GP. And then I just plata Joe. Top plata Joe. Yeah. Guys, patience. Do you see when I sold Tung Sahur? Was a long time ago. With patience, you'll find. Don't try and sell a car today and tomorrow you want to buy a car. Hey, bro, you'll be a joke. And now you'll be a broke joke because they would have scammed you money. They would have scammed you money. Wow, Kemile. Oh, wow, Kemile. Wow, Kemile. And when you are scammed, right? They have decreased the money that you had. Even if they didn't scam you all money, they've decreased the money that you were saving up to buy a car. If you had like 95k and they scam you 10k, you're no longer on 95, now you are on 85. And 85 might not even afford the car that you wanted to afford initially. So, isn't Tozako? I get you guys like buying cars from people you don't know, people you don't trust. You don't know someone at all. You met them on marketplace. You're busy sending them cash while someone you know is here selling a car and you don't want it because it belongs to that person, and you feel like you giving them money is, I don't know, something you don't want to do. Sharp. Even when the scamming comes in, clap hands for yourself. You put yourself in that situation. You saw that situation coming, but you put yourself in it. Now you are back to saving again. Some people get lucky, they get scammed 10k only. Some people get scammed serious money, the whole amount, and they even give you money to go home. That's online car scammery. Imagine you choose that as opposed to just buying a car from someone you know, giving them that money. Any car that you buy will not be as perfect as you wish, as long as you're not buying from a garage. As long as you're not going to VW straight, it's not going to be as perfect as you would like it to be. So that person that you know who's driving that car that you might want, and the problems you know about that car, the problems of that car, you know them, right? That's your best buy. I'm gonna tell you now, that's your best buy. Try and be smart, and they promise you miracles on marketplace, and you go and try to. When you experience serious scammery, you must not even come close to me. When you experience all those tactics which are going to make you cry, isn't necessary for you to keep putting your foot down when you are driving a bike. Court. That's the only thing that irritates me with these bikes. I would have gotten a bike, but this after a little while, and then after a little while, you're busy. Unyatela madimo, tina, you keep stepping on the floor. I want a bike that you just see. Do you see quad bike? Yeah. Or maybe a trike. You don't tell madimo, right? Yeah. You just sit. But this one's of eventually you stamp the yard. No. I don't want that. I've put myself in a position. I've sat at the robot, right? So it's a cross. So should the car come from any angle, I'm gonna spot it. Any angle, I'm gonna see it. And they're not gonna see me. I'm gonna sit and view it while it's still coming. And when it comes, that's when I know, you're sharp. That's the one. That one. Guys, when it's time to buy and I'm alone, I don't have time to vlog. I don't have time to do these crazy things. If I had someone, I was gonna put them in there, the cameraman. Sounding like that. Now let. Guys, it's there. Let me go in. Yo. Guys, let me finish up this. Hi guys, late. Guys, they gave me a lift back and I came back and it's pretty challenging. Let's get to the house so we can speak properly. Let's get inside. I had to be inside the house for this one. So, that guy is tempting. Very tempting, very clean. We just couldn't agree on the spot. But I've never seen such a clunk. Let me sleep on it tonight. If I can't sleep, I give them a call, they return. Can you guess the car? Guys, the car in the comment section. And if you guys get it right, I'm calling them to come back. Guess the car in the comment section, guys. It's a fuel saver. It's a fuel saver VW. So if I tell you the engine size, you guys are gonna know. Guess the car in the comment section of it. Let me sit down and think of it. For this episode, that is all we have for this episode of Customs Class. Anything is possible with it. Hey, sharp.